Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can actually hide the page title by 2 steps or 3 steps, which will be really simple and really easy. So guys, first of all, make sure that you will open your dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. From there you will have this page opened. For those who doesn't have the dashboard, you have to create a new account, and I have already made a tutorial about it, so make sure to check it out right after this video. Now after you do so, what you have to do is this page will be open for you. Now let's go ahead and create a new page or post or whatever it is. So let's add a new post, for example, and let's give it a title, which will be something like tutorial 8, and let's make it big, paragraph, heading, and yeah, let's add some text in here. Now let's publish it, and it will be looking something like that. So let's get here, and that's how the thing will look like. So guys, now how you can actually remove it. Basically it is pretty simple. You can, for example, go to your dashboard and posts, and from there you can edit the page and remove whatever you want to remove. For example, let's remove this and click on update. So now if we click in here, it will be deleted from here. For example, you wanted to remove it in another way. Let's use it, for example, on this one. How you can remove this one from here without going to your posts. Basically what you have to do is click on right click and aspects, or F12, or you can get here and go to more tools, and from here developer tools. So here you click on this here and this icon and select the text that you want to remove. Here you can click on it and click on display and then add none. So as you see, it is sorry guys, it is disappeared. So what you have to do now is go and select all of that, something like that, and click on customize. Now what you have to do is go to additional CSS and add it right after that, and click on publish. So if you refresh it, it will be not shown in your website. So guys, that was it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.